Hi, and welcome to Honors Comp and Lit with Miss Recheck. I am so excited to have you here and your students in my class. I am Miss Recheck, and I am here to introduce you to our course on Canvas for back to school night. Each week on Mondays, I will post announcements for students to know what is due for that week. New assignments always post on Monday and are not due until Sunday at midnight. We will not accept any late work. There will be some circumstances that are discussed and decided on case by case, so please email me or call if there are any questions or concerns about due dates. Projects, papers, and tests are 80% of the final grade. Daily work is 20% of the final grade. All grades are kept on PowerSchool. Your final grade will be weighted and kept in PowerSchool. Feedback and comments are provided on Canvas through the grading and comment section. I am available by phone and email. My number at school is 816-321-6713, and my email at school is Laura, Laura dot Recheck, RYCZEK, at nkcschools.org. There is a form that you can fill out on this home page that you'll see parents fill out this form. You can click that link and it will help me to get to know you and also your student and see how I can help you further and get you any more information. Also, there are a few helpful links to show you how to become an observer of your student in this class on Canvas. Once again, I am really happy that you're here and I'm really excited to be your student's teacher. I'm here for you. And so if you need anything, just let me know. And I hope everyone has a great night, a great day. This is going to be a great school year, even though it's very different. So welcome to back to school night for our Winnetonka 2020-2021 school year.